Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in the new year, I was thinking about buddy builds I could do, and since I caught the motorcycle mind virus, I decided to try to spread that, and I have two doubles, this SRX6 and that Ducati. So you see the Ducati there and the other one down there. So I thought, okay, here's a couple of opportunities to share these with someone who hasn't built a bike before. It turns out that Joe at Mad Genius commented on a couple of my builds, and I went out and looked and saw that he hadn't built a bike before. And I reached out to him, said, yo, you want to do a buddy build? And he said, sure. So I'm going to send one of these kits to him. And I was like looking at them and thinking between the two, which one would be the best, because I want him to have a good experience, because I want him to get bit by the bike bug. So these cowls can be tricky. I kind of learned that the hard way on, some of these. For instance, on that one, if you look from the inside there, it's those support arms are crooked. On this one, the reason it's facing this side is that's a two-piece cowl. And it was so tricky to get on there, I chipped the decal on the other side. So yeah, those cowls can be tricky. And so I think for a first-time bike, this one might be the way to go. This Yamaha SRX6, and I have two of these, so I'll pull the other one out. And I noticed that there's some differences between the kits. So before I send it, I think I'm going to do a quick, minor unboxing and just show you the two kits. And I think, might be interesting. All right, so here we have the two Yamaha SRX 600 motorcycle kits from Tamiya. And I'm pretty sure that this is the one I got on my trip to England. It's manufactured in Japan. It's older, and it was in that group of 6 or so bikes, and I just said I'll take all of them, and brought that one back. And I thought I might have already had it, but I didn't care. So you'll see that the box end here is a little bit different. And that this one has, the stamp on it with the kit number, manufactured in Japan. On this side, pretty much the same, and then on this side, again, the difference. But this side, it's a little different here in that this says licensed product, and over here it says made in the Philippines. So this is a later one. And this is probably one of the original 1986. 1986, that's the copyright. I don't think that's when it was made. This one was probably made in 86. This one was probably made later. And again, licensed out to the Philippines. So let's take a look inside. That's the Philippines one. And so right away you'll see that, this is the old packaging where, they just put the tires in a simple bag and vacuum seal it. Here they're actually stapled, and then inside some separate bags as well, where this is just everything in one bag. So they took, a little more time with that, whereas they simplified it here, although I'm sure the parts, are exactly the same. And then we have the clear parts in here. The decals are in the same bag as the parts, whereas here, it looks like they're bagged separately. Here we've got the clear parts in a separate bag, and here the clear parts are in a bag with these two sprues. And then here's the 2 sprues there. Now, just looking through the bag, I mean, it looks identical, even down to, you probably can't see it, but there's a little indentation right there and a little indentation there. I wonder if they shipped the molds. That's interesting. Shoot, which one was which? Oh, that, and then that, and then, yeah, here are the decals, and yeah, those are newer. So again, those will be the ones that go to Joe. I want him to have a good time doing this, and I want everything to work for him because I want him to get bit by the bug. And then I just love stuff like this. So in this older kit, first in quality around the world, to me is 4 finishing aids with your model aids your model turns into a masterpiece. Look at that. I love stuff like this. Very cool. So this like an advertisement for some of their finishing products, and then a catalog. How cool is that? Like USS Enterprise, Art of Modeling. Look at that. Very cool. Oh, wow. Very cool. I actually have the stand-up rider, and I've got seated riders. I think I have this kit in the stash, and I love that kit, but that's a 1-6, and they're just huge. I think it's too, I wouldn't have room on a shelf for that, but yeah, everything else just very cool. So, and then here are the instructions, and yeah, I think they look pretty much the same. Newer, whiter paper, but other than that, I'm sure they're the same. Yeah, and I love when they do this and they put the little ruler down there for cutting the wires. So I just thought it'd be interesting to show the difference in the 2 kits between, you know, the original with all the cool stuff you used to get from the kits that were manufactured and shipped from Japan, as opposed to the newer ones, which again, same quality and everything, but made in the Philippines, with a little bit simpler process and materials. So I hope you found that interesting. And yeah, so this one's going to go out to Joe, and then we're going to do a buddy build together. And I'm going to try to spread the motorcycle mind virus. So stay tuned for that, and hope you found that interesting. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.